Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is April the 14th and I'm using my new Super Sniper trading system. This system uses indicators on the top, moving averages, and on the bottom we have momentum indicators. I use this awesome oscillator here. And the indicators right here at the bottom is the driving force for the super signal indicator. Now this super signal indicator does not automatically come within this Super Sniper package. It's in a totally different package called the Easy Trader. If you look right below this video, after you click on the show more within the description, you'll see 4 different packages and what is in each and every package. Of course, if you have any questions about the package, just get in contact with me. Now every morning about 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, and that's 6 a.m. New York time. This is London, this blue box, which goes all the way over to here. I stop it here because I'm only interested in this blue box. I just trade the New York session, and back here is the Asian session. I don't bother with that as I'm usually pretty busy talking to traders. So I'm looking at all of the instruments here along with my daily trade plan, and then I'm making decisions whether I want to be buying and or selling, and at that point I'll just pop in either a down arrow or an up arrow according to my daily trade plan. Let's take a look at that daily trade plan. This is a screenshot from earlier. Every one of these trades were taken directly from the daily trade plan. Now what I do is I look at all the different time frames. You have to analyze everything. Just because it says, let's say, bearish trade, it's not written in stone, as some of them could easily flip to bullish. That's why you have to know how to read the charts. You have to know price action. Like, there's a lot of things that you have to learn. And I teach all of these things that you have to learn within the training videos. Trading the market successfully does take a certain amount of time to learn, and you're going to spend more than a couple of $100 before you find success. I can go into much more detail if you want to talk to me, and I do prefer talking on Skype. So just Skype me and I can answer all your questions. Okay, now we can get into these trades. First one I did at the top here is the pound Aussie. Now I sold them all except one I bought right here, this euro yen. So here we go. This one did qualify for a great way to trade. And just to let you know, I wasn't paying enough attention, and I was actually making money here, but had some distractions around the house. And if you've got a wife and kids, you'll know exactly, or a husband, you know, depending on if you're a female trader, then if you have husband and kids, well, you do get distractions. But I didn't manage this trade properly, and it went from a winner of about 48 pips, and right now in real time we got a buy signal, so this is going up. But I am done trading for the day. It looks like I lost. This is a loser of 6 pips. I wasn't too worried about it, and that's why you see a minus $40. It's not easy to do 5 or 10 or more trades at a time, and if you don't believe me, just try to do it. Especially once you get to, if you're trading your money, it becomes much more difficult. And it took me many, many years to get good at it. I've been doing this for more than 18 years, and I can guarantee you if you buy enough education and you spend enough chart time and do enough trades, you will start to find success. Okay, and remember, if you buy the education, you cannot be lazy. You have to do the homework. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro CAD. Another one I wanted to be selling. There's the arrow. So I sold it, and at least this one I closed it out before it became a loser. Had the same problem, not paying attention. But at least this is a winner of about 8 pips. And those 8 pips paid out $59. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Wanted to be selling this one. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Sold it here. Should have got out over here. But again, I actually walked away from the computer as I had to do something and not paying full attention. But anyhow, if I was in front of the computer, I would have closed it out definitely with a little bit bigger profit. So I got in at this cursor, closing it out with another winner, locking in about 7 pips. And those 7 pips paid out $59. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Yen. This one I ended up buying. It was a little bit messier looking charts, and it did go up and it spiked down at 8:30. That's usually when news is coming out for Forex, so you have to pay attention to that. Here we go. Let's see where I got in. Could have easily just kept going up, but I knew once the dust settled, I knew it was going to carry on in the direction of my daily trade plan. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out being happy. Looks like with about 13 pips, and 13 pips paid out $97. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. Now the euro dollar, same as the pound dollar, because the USD is on the right hand side, it does pay $10 for each pip. So looking at the money, this should be 23 and the next one should be 24. So let's see, euro dollar. Now on this trade, wanted to be selling it, I sold it. Spiked around here at 8:30 opening time of the New York. And there it is right there, 23 pips, and that ended up paying out $230. Okay, moving on to the next trade, pound dollar. As I mentioned, $10 a pip, so this should be 24. Let's see where I got in at. Charts look exactly the same as the previous trade. Did qualify for a great way to trade. I teach all of these things within the training videos. So what I say, it should be 24. There it is right there. There's 24 pips I locked in, and that paid out $240. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is gold. This one pays $10 for each tick. Looks like, looking at the money, it should be 166.5 actually. So let's see now. Everything looked perfect, qualified for a great way to trade. There's your sell signal here. I teach exactly how and where you should be getting in the trade. And you can't get much better than this. Well, right up to here is the best. But this is pretty good. I was happy with that. So it should be 166. Whoops, there it is right there. Actually, that's right on, 166.5. And that paid out $1,665. So another great day of trading. Fantastic way to end the week. I knew it was going to be over 200, and that is my goal every day I'm trading. So I added up all the pips and the ticks, and it turned out to be 235 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying out $2,312. So if your system's not producing like the Super Sniper, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. That is a must-have. And remember, of course, if you buy from me, and if you have any questions after you buy, I am here to answer your questions and continue to give you some tips and tricks. I do all of that using Skype, so keep that in mind. Now, if you look right below this video, you will find my contact information. You got to click on the button that says show more. You can either pick up the phone and call me, and or you can send me an email. Now, I do prefer Skype, and if we get on Skype, I will answer the questions that you may have. And also, if you look below this video in the description, you'll see 4 different packages. Each package I do charge $250. And of course, I do have a special offer at this point in time. If you buy any 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other packages for free. Now, I also have another special offer. And if you want to know what that is, well, just get in contact with me. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next video, should be Monday, hopefully. I want to wish you good luck with your trading. Have a great weekend. And don't forget to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay? Bye for now.